continue to come. I continue to come and I found that the devil is no longer the way, same way that was. I mean, no of it, you don't do it. So, whoever wants to come to Odogbolu, please come. Odogbolu is very friendly and very good.
I'm welcoming.
You need to know who you are following. That's not the thing. And mindful of where you are going and who you are following, who are your friends. Because ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ títì tó lè ṣan ní lórúkọ Jésù àdìbọ́sọ wa yìí. So mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run pé àwa náà rí nípa orí ọ̀fẹ́ Ọlọ́run nípa ìfẹ́ Jésù àti nípa ìfẹ́ ànábì ìbáraẹni máa ń pè lọ sàlàlálẹ́wà sàlà. Tó dá wa sí ìdí ọjọ́ òní ìgbàdúrà lórúkọ Jésù. A ò ní dààmú, ọkọ̀ wa yóò balẹ̀. Àwọn afẹ́nifẹ́re àwọn.
Everybody, my regard to everyone in this gathering. My name is Odogbolu and May I tell, I did my family school in Odogbolu. I attended Muslim family school, Odogbolu. Then, in late 60s, my brother took me to Lagos. I was in Isaleko. That was where I grown up. Then later, early in 70s, we got an apartment in Igobi. So after some time, we were linked to our native people that were residing in Igobi. So that was how I was familiar to Olubajo, Asis, and Godimowo. So from there, after some time, we were discussing. Then later, my brother asked me whether I wanted to further my education. Then I got an admission at Azaudi College in Solo. I was to start at the following year, but later on, there was a man that we called the boy is good. He's from the Kenya. He said, look, one of my brother is in National College, and the other is from Ikene, and his name is Olubajo. That if we can easily try with them, then fortunately I was able to enter one of their schools. We call it National School of Secretaryship and Accountancy. So I was there for 1 year. After 1 year, we were transferred to National College of Commerce. Then later on, when I came back to Odogbolu, Major's father contacted me, said, my son has just finished at LA Commercial School, that I want you to come to Lagos. I said, that is no problem. We have connection at National College. That was how he came to Lagos and joined National College.
I think we have to give a praise to our Almighty God. So please, I want everybody to stand for your feet to join me to sing this song. Adúpẹ́ ibi tẹ́ ti bẹ̀rẹ̀, adúpẹ́ ibi tẹ́ bá dé, adúpẹ́ o Jésù Kristi, ibi tẹ́ mú wa lọ. Ẹ ṣé ibi tẹ́ ti bẹ̀rẹ̀, ẹ ṣé ibi tẹ́ bá dé, adúpẹ́ o Jésù Kristi, ibi tẹ́ mú wa lọ. Ibi tẹ́ mú wa lọ. Adúpẹ́ ibi tẹ́ ti bẹ̀rẹ̀, adúpẹ́ ibi tẹ́ bá dé, adúpẹ́ o Jésù Kristi, ibi tẹ́ mú wa lọ. Amen. Ẹ jẹ́ kí a jókòó. Why did I come out again to come and sing that song? I think 1 minute silence.
None of them. I wasn't with them when they started, but somewhere along the line when I came, we started and things were going very fine. Some parents saw us and said, these boys, they are good boys. We would like our children to join them. And if our children will become one of their members, and one of us is here today. Wahidi. Wahidi was brought to us by his own mother.
Wow.
His mother said, this son that we are going, we will want this boy, this my son, to be among these people. And that was how Wahidi joined us. None of these people have been able to mention that. That's how. I have my friend, my in-law, my confidant, my all and all. Ọmọba rẹ̀, ilẹ̀ mi, Prince Dr. Emmanuel Fakoya. We welcome our brother into our midst, the King of Wines.
You can just keep him and we consider it and it is done. Thank you, sir.
A round of applause for the president. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. So nǹkan tí wọ́n sọ fún wa ni wípé ẹgbẹ́ yìí lè parun, ẹgbẹ́ yìí máa continue ni. So wọ́n ní àwọn ti ṣí ilẹ̀kùnlẹ̀ fún àwọn ọmọ àwọn láti darapọ̀ mọ́ wọn so that wọ́n lè máa mentor wọn. And mo dẹ̀ sure pé tó bá rí any member of ọmọ Odogbolu tó bá ready láti darapọ̀ mọ́ wọn bákan náà, wọ́n sọ fún mi níbẹ̀ yẹn pé wọ́n welcome wọn.
Àwọn tó ṣe àjọ̀dún lè ní o lágbára Ọlọ́run bí a máa rójú o. Nítorí ṣàdúrà wọn o torí àwọn ẹ̀fún mi today. Mo fẹ́ dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Joy. Àwọn ọjọ́ kì í kàwé o. Àwọn ọmọ lọ sí National College of Commerce. When we were the senior student. Another person is Ugo Jibowo. Senior Badman. Ugo your name on school. Ẹ̀gbọ́n mi tó Aliza. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n sọ ìyọ̀kan náà. Tí mi ò bá tọ́gọ̀ dá bàbá mi nílò.
Àwọn tó jókòó ìtúbí làwọn dún dáadáa yìí. A ní tó jẹ́ ẹ̀jẹ̀ ara mi nù. A jẹ̀ tún ní àwọn tó jẹ́ ọmọ bàbá mi náà tó jẹ́ bá àwọn ìyá àti bàbá èmi ìdìbò. Nítorí pé kí ni tí n bá jókòó sáàárín wọn lè mọ̀ bí a age mate ni wá àbí àbúrò ni mo fẹ́ sí wọn. Nínú ìrìn àjò ilé ayé mi, mo kọ́ ẹ̀kọ́ gidigidi lọ́wọ́ gbogbo wọn tó jókòó. Nítorí pé kí ni àwọn ni máa ń bá ṣe, àwọn ọ̀dẹ̀ ló ń tọ́ mi sọ́nà. Mo rántí ayé ìjọ́un náà tí mo jáde tí mo wáṣẹ́. Ọ̀tọ̀ ni kó jáde with flying colour, ọ̀tọ̀ ni kí orí connection láti wọṣẹ́. Inú wọn tó jókòó yìí àti bọ̀dá mi wọ́n pè mí, wọ́n á fi tọwọ́tọwọ́ kó tọ̀ lórí bọ̀dá lórí òdúlàyé. Wọ́n pè mí wípé position administrative position officer wà. Bọ̀dé ní BSc physics mo ṣe o. Mo bèèrè lọ bọ̀dá pé bọ̀dá báwo la ṣe máa ń ṣe administrative job o. Bọ̀dá fún mi ní expo díẹ̀.
Màmá sọ pé àwọn ọmọ nǹkan tó ń ṣe tó bá dẹ̀ ti sọ̀rọ̀, a máa sọ pé you hear me now, you hear me now. Nígbà bí àwọn yẹn ṣe máa sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn. Àgàgà méjọ tí méjọ bá ti wá dé, ìyá máa sọ fún ṣímẹ́kù o. Ṣímẹ́kù ọ̀rùn ẹ̀ ṣífàdí kú. Tẹ̀lá fẹ́ kú, kẹ́kú náà nìyẹn. The only person tí mi ò really use mọ́ ní àárín wọn, òun ni Baba Ahmed. Because in most cases, tí wọ́n bá ti wá dé yàtọ̀ sí bóyá ilé yá, tí wọ́n bá lọ sí ọ̀dọ̀ bọ̀dà Àjímì Rojà, bí Chief ṣe máa ń pa òun yẹn nìyẹn. Chief àmà ní Àjímì Rojà, nìkan la máa ń rí bàbá Ahmed àti tí wọ́n bá ń ṣe nǹkan báyìí. In most cases, I don't always see him in their midst.
Onígbà tẹ́mi ló rògbò ní etí sáwọn ẹ ò kú máa ń wọ̀ wọn ò bí mi sí ní ní òṣè skul bí òkò sí mi ṣe lọ́kọ̀ tí òkú tí wọ́n ní ìpínlẹ̀ lọ sí.
Àwọn táwọn àbí lẹgbẹ́ wọn, táwọn mẹ́wọ́ ẹgbẹ́ wa ló ń járe, àwọn táwọn àbí lẹgbẹ́ wa ṣàṣ náà.
Lórí bí ló bá jẹ́ lẹ́yìn bàbá mi tó dúró èmi ní tó kéré jù ní gbogbo bí. Mo dúpẹ́ ẹnì fẹ́ Ọ̀túnba Fádéjọ ló sọ fún mi ní àárọ̀ yìí ó ní mi láti wá ní síbí. Mi ní kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ bí? Ó bá sọ fún mi pé Club 76 máa wà níbí. Mi ní lódì mọ́wọ́ sọ fún mi. Mi ní báwo ni ó bá ṣe jẹ́ pé ló bá sọ fún mi pé mi láti wà nílẹ̀. Ló bá sọ fún mi máa wà nígbà tí débí rọ̀lẹ́ ìrírá wo àwọn tó wà ní Club 76.